All right, we finally got it. The infamous vertical windmill. That thing was a chore to haul up there. It is doing its job. So what I did on the side of the barn here was I dug a hole and I walked that pole over here, and it was stupidly heavy because it's 3/8 inch, 2.5 inch pipe, 3/8 inch thick, probably weighs 300 pounds at least. Then I had to strap it right here on the side of the barn, stainless steel 3/4 inch bolt to strap it so we could keep this thing from wobbling, because that dude has got some force. It probably weighs 100 pounds on top of this pole. And then I'll probably put one bag of concrete in it just to secure it, and that'll be where the wires come out, are already coming out, to tie into it. It'll produce 48 volts DC to charge up my battery pack, which will run the inverter and charge the Tesla.